There are two main ways to study more powerful. First is spaced repetition and second is active recall. So let's understand what is spaced repetition. There is a forgetting curve for all of us. So every few days the information has to be recalled. Means spacing out when you revise, write down when you are next going to revise the topic. For example, look at the screen, revise on the first day, then on the third and then on the 8th or 9th day. Now let's understand what is active recall. Active recall is done by testing ourselves about the information, which helps retain it much more. Means retrieving information from your brain, questioning are the best way of implementing it. Now let's understand how we will putting them both together in our studies. So first step is make questions after your notes. Second, review these questions after a week and then a month. Third, don't reread the notes. Read the question you make from your notes. So guys, these are the two most